Friends, we are back again. So today our topic is dipole moment in aromatic ring system. I have already made some diagrams here. Here is a benzene ring, all are benzene rings, and we have two groups X and Y, XY, XY. So as we all know, most of the students just remember the uh, order of dipole moment in various combinations. So from today onwards, you don't need to remember that because I am going to just tell you how to just rearrange the order. So the first case that we are taking is that when both are electron donating, means both the groups X and Y are electron donating or electron withdrawing. We are donating electron donating groups by positive sign and electron withdrawing groups by negative sign. Okay, first case when all the groups are electron donating or withdrawing. So if you just move at the ortho position, what do you see is that the angle becomes 60 degree. Okay, so as you know, dipole moment is treated like a vector quantity. So its resultant should also be summed up like a vector. So just suppose due to x it is mu1 dipole moment, due to y it is mu2 dipole moment. So mu net is equal to mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. So therefore mu net becomes this much for the ortho position. Now let's move to the para position. Here is the para position. Angle between them, theta here becomes 180 degrees. So mu net again under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. Always remember this case is of when both the compounds or groups are electron withdrawing or donating. We are using the same formula because just suppose in this very ortho case when both were electron withdrawing, then what would have happened? Mu1 square minus mu1 ka square plus mu2 would have been replaced by minus mu2 ka square, and this would have been replaced by twice of minus mu1 into minus mu2 cos theta. So net becomes positive, it is again positive, it's again positive, minus minus positive. So there would be no change in the formula when both the groups are electron donating or electron withdrawing. So in para position this theta is equal to 180 degrees. So it would become mu1 square plus mu2 square minus of twice of mu1 mu2. Now just move on to the meta position. Now see, in meta position the angle is 120 degrees. Here theta is equal to 120 degree in meta position. So mu net is equal to under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos 120 degrees is equal to mu1 square plus mu2 square minus mu1 mu2. So what do you get as order? If you see ortho position plus mu1 mu2, in para position minus twice of mu1 mu2, and in meta position minus mu1 mu2. Therefore in our first case order of dipole moment is ortho greater than meta greater than para. I think this would be quite clear to you. So now let's move to a topic when either One of the groups are electron withdrawing and the very other group is electron donating. So again, drawing the structures. X, Y. We are assuming that X is positive, means electron donating, and Y is negative, that is electron withdrawing. X and Y means positive, negative means mu, means dipole moment of X and dipole moment of Y have been assumed. I think I am quite clear. Now it's again ortho position, meta position and para position. So again, first case, ortho position, mu net under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta, it's equal to under root of mu1 square mu2 square minus twice of mu1 into mu2 cos of 60 is equal to under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square minus of mu1 mu2, means in ortho position it is net dipole moment. Now let's move to meta position. Mu net theta 120 degrees, mu1 square plus mu2 square plus twice of mu1 mu2 cos theta equal to under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 minus mu1 mu2 cos 120 degrees minus 1 upon 2 under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus mu1 and mu2. Now talk about the para position. Theta 180 degrees, mu net under root of mu1 square mu2 square plus 2 minus mu1 into mu2 cos 180 degree means mu1 plus mu2. So thus we conclude that in para position dipole moment is max, then meta, then ortho. So in this case means one is electron donating and the very other is electron withdrawing. The order of dipole moment is para greater than meta greater than ortho. I think I was quite clear to you. So the very next video will come on the application of dipole moment. Thanks for watching us and keep smiling.